finally back in the hayfield after our 10 days of Louisiana monsoons. So anyway, more super sexy hay. It's just as yellow as yellow. We're gonna go see if we can put it in a bale and get it out of the field at least. So anyway, we'll go see what we can make happen. Here we go. Yesterday was an eventful day. I came down to rake and started with the old A, and for whatever reason, I don't know, we got a thermostat out or what, but it said no, I'm gonna get hot. So I had to steal the bale wagon tractor and put on the rake. So, but after that, I almost kind of like raking with that tractor better than the old A. I don't know, verdict's still out. But anyway, here's our super sexy hay that was in windrows prior to the rain, still in windrows. Super awesome. So it's still wet, so we'll go back over to this corner over here where the hay wasn't in a windrow yet, and I raked it yesterday. It seems to be ready, but this is gonna have to sit here for a couple more days. It's rough. So we'll see what we can make happen. Got the co-pilot down here. Well, that was short-lived. I'm not sure what happened. We were going along and I thought I sucked up a stick or something and plugged up, but apparently the PTO shaft has blown something in it, so we're headed over to the service truck to investigate a little deeper, but we had a feeling that we're running to the parts house. So here we go, more fun, yay! So the problem has been found. So the overrun clutch, the I don't know, little dogs in there or whatever, have wore out. So I have that to go by, number 18. So this is what wore out ones look like. And when you're in the agriculture industry, you go to the welder and you make them look like what they should look like in hopes that that will last until the right ones get in. So when you give an agriculture person a welder, a grinder, and a hammer, we make it happen. So we're going to do that with this one. There we go. Now if they work. There's the little tiny pieces it sheared off that we have now created with the welder to hope it will last. Now the shitty part, it's a miniature little leaf spring. Not sure when we're finding one of those. So I'm missing one. So I guess we'll go on with the hunt. That is supposed to go in there, and those little dogs go in there. So let's see what I can come up with for a leaf spring. Then we'll see what we can put together. So you know what is the size of a little leaf spring like that? When you take this screen out of your screen in your window, it's got a little spring that holds the screen in place. Sacrifices had to be made. And I think it's a little wider, but I think it'll be just fine. We're going to cut this down and we're going to see what happens. So anyway, sacrifices. We're going to make something happen even if it's wrong. So here we go. I just got to figure out how to cut it without taking the temper out. Maybe I can wick it off with the grinder. Anyway, here we go. Now the fun part. The reinstallation of our creation. Wonder if now we got a lady with tires coming. She texted me and told me that she was in town, headed this way. So, put these toys away, and that's all on. So, anyway, we'll put tires on and then go back to being a farmer. So, anyway, that's what I know at the minute. Okay, so here we go. We did a tiny bit of a test run over there where we were parked, and it seemed to work. We'll see what happens when we have a load on it now. Oh, I'm paying attention to the camera and not where I'm going, so I gotta back up. I missed where we were. maybe our farmer fix is going to work. Well, we might get some hay baled after all, we'll see. Well, we have made it through that patch of hay without any breakdowns, knock on wood. So here we go to the next patch of hay to see if we can make that work. And before the breakdown, I had put an energy drink in the cup holder in the tractor and just kind of forgot about it and did my thing. And I was like, we're going to jump on the energy drink. And that never fails, and the phone rings while you're trying to make a video and bale hay. So we'll be back. Okay, anyway, back from the phone call. So, just so you know, energy drinks are much better cold. This one's supposed to be white gummy bear. I'm pretty sure it's more like white gummy bear piss. But anyway, it definitely, it'll wake you up, especially that first drink. Whew! So, yeah, here we go to the next patch. Yeah,